Hello, everyone. Today we're gonna talk about sustainability and we'll give an overview of what sustainability means and what consists of. And also we'll cover some rating systems up to date that's out there in the industry right now. So to start with, let's understand sustainability. So the Environment Protection Agency defines sustainability as everything that we need for our survival and well-being depends either directly or indirectly on our natural environment. In other words, to pursue sustainability is to create and maintain the conditions under which humans and nature can exist in a productive harmony to support the present and future generation. So when it comes to sustainability, it must be a tool that professionals can utilize to identify sustainability and aspects and elements that could be utilized in the sustainable world. So with that, we have something called a triple bottom line. And the triple bottom line involves the social, environmental, and economic dimensions of an organization. In other words, it consists of social equity, which is people, and economic efficiency, which is profit, and the environment is the environment. So for instance, when we talk about people or social equity, we actually refer to a lot of deciding factors, some of them like living conditions, how people living conditions are they happy with their environment, meaning indoor or outdoor? Are they being productive? What can we do to improve their living conditions so they can be more productive? And also social cohesions, how they can communicate and interact, and how can we facilitate that in the sustainable world? In addition to that is equal opportunities for everyone. And then when we talk about economic efficiency or profit, we base our decisions on a lot of factors, like for instance here, productions and consumption. How can we produce element or stuff or materials, and then how we consume them and dispose them afterward, and without affecting others and the environment. And the economic growth, how can we support the economic growth considering generations to come? And then that takes us to the third element in the triple bottom line, which is the environments. So again, it has a lot of deciding factors. Some of them is materials and waste. How could we utilize materials? And then how we take care of the waste afterward, because eventually we have to be cognizant of the environment and also communities. And then we have to treat those materials like finite resources. And how can we maintain these resources for future generation? So a recap here, again, triple bottom line refers to people, profit, and environment. So for example, here, if a team wants to decide on installing a skylight for a building, then we could utilize the triple bottom line approach here to be able to make a decision. So for instance here, how does the skylight help people? Well, it helps because especially for building users, indoor buildings, it could connect people to the outside nature and provide them with daylight and sunlight. So it makes them happy, it makes them connect.